SaaS, or Software as a Service, is known as a web-based software and gives you a simple way to get the software you need without hassle. Instead of installing programs on your computer, you can access them online. Think of it like using apps on your smartphone, but for your business. We handle the technical side, like keeping everything secure and up to date, so you can focus on what matters most, running your business. With SaaS, you only pay for what you use. On-premise software means managing everything yourself. That includes the upfront costs, ongoing maintenance, and dealing with any tech issues. Your data safety is crucial. With SaaS, data security is built in and regulated by SaaS. It's like Fort Knox for your data, with unlimited storage and backup systems. On the other hand, with on-premise systems, you're the gatekeeper. It takes time and resources to keep everything secure, and you're responsible for backups. Imagine your business is taking off. With SaaS, you can easily adjust your software to match your growth. Vast, fast, and flexible. Whilst on-premise solutions can feel restrictive, expanding can be slow and costly. SaaS is like having your software in your pocket. Access it anytime and anywhere with an internet connection. It's perfect for teams working remotely or on the go. On-premise systems can be more restrictive, limiting access to those within your network or offices. SaaS is like having a dedicated IT team working for you 24/7. They handle software updates, system maintenance, and troubleshooting, ensuring your software is always up to date. Plus, SaaS providers continually innovate and add new features to enhance your experience. This is unlike on-premise solutions, where you're responsible for managing hardware, updates, and troubleshooting. Once your software is set up, new features or enhancements often require additional development and costs, limiting your ability to adapt and grow your business. In conclusion, SaaS offers efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and scalability, making it a popular choice for businesses. While on-premise solutions provide customization, they often require greater investment and maintenance. For organizations seeking a ready-to-use solution with regular updates and expert support, SaaS is a perfect option. However, those needing highly specialized software may opt for on-premise solutions.